Hey guys, so today I'm back to do a quick little haul for you guys. I'm going on a trip to Miami this week and I ordered some new stuff to wear for my trip. Not because I really needed anything, just because I just wanted new stuff, basically. So everything like just came just in the nick of time, so I wanted to film a quick little haul for you guys. It's not going to be a try on because I literally have to pack everything because of course I waited until the last minute, but I wanted to get a video up for you guys before I left. So I'm going to show you guys a bunch of stuff that I got for my trip. It is like in the dead of winter here in New York right now, so this is not really stuff that I will be wearing like right now per se, but kind of like a spring sneak peek or like a vacation haul, if you will. But anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna start by saying that the sweatshirt that I'm wearing, I actually just recently picked up from H&M. H&M has some really cute like just basic sweatshirts, so this one is no exception. It just kind of has like a floral print on heather gray and it's just cute and casual. So that's from H&M. So then also from H&M I picked up this top. This is just kind of like a silky v-neck top and I really liked the print. It's like a navy blue with this gorgeous floral print. I think these are irises. Is that what those flowers are? But I thought it was really cute. This would be really cute paired with like white denim or just regular denim. White denim shorts or jeans. I think this would be really cute and I just love the satin material of it. Kind of just makes it a little bit dressy. So the next up is just this basic knit sweater. I am obsessed with purple lately. I said that in my last video, but I've been really into purple. It's the Pantone color of the year. Well, not this exact shade, but purple is just everywhere right now. So I really love this. It's kind of like that bright lavender lilac color and just like a cozy kind of shirt. I got it in a small and it's just kind of like a little bit baggier of a fit. It's not like really fitted or anything like that, but definitely cozy and cute. Then also from Nasty Gal I got this basic tee. It just says J'adore and I thought it was really cute. You could definitely like wear this for like Valentine's Day or anything like that, but I just love a good graphic tee once in a while. This is like a little bit oversized. Again, it's just a size small, but I think it's just cut to be like a little bit more boxy, but this is really cute with like regular classic blue jeans. I think it's just like that kind of like classic Americana look. So the next up is Express. We have another lilac lavender kind of color. I loved this top because it has like an asymmetrical thing going on. It has like this one shoulder ruffle but also a tie sleeve. Mine's a little bit wrinkled because it just came in the mail, but I loved the color. I actually have like a really similar top to this that I got from them last year, but that one is red and it doesn't have the tie sleeve, but I thought this was really, really cute. I love the ruffle detail. So the next, this one doesn't stay on a hanger very well, but again with the purple. So this one is purple and white striped, which I love because most of the striped stuff out there is like a blue and white stripe, so I loved the purple for this. So this is like an off the shoulder top and the sleeves are like a balloon sleeve, so it's really cute. They kind of like puff out a little bit and the neckline is straight across and it is very elastic. I will say that the sleeves though are not elastic at all, so if you have like bigger arms or biceps, or if you got some like pythons from working out, you might want to size up because I have extra small, which is my normal size, and it is a little bit snug in the armholes. So just saying, but I really, really loved this top. I thought it was really cute and it's just flowy at the bottom, but I like to just tuck it into the front of my jeans because I am a tucker. Then another top from Express, still with the stripes. This one is blue this time and again with the asymmetrical detailing. So this one has like a one shoulder and it kind of like folds over like kind of like a regular college shirt, and then the side has like this like tail. It's kind of like not like a ruffle, but it's just like a little bit of an extra piece that just hangs down on one side and it's really, really cute. So thought I'd pick this up. It's definitely different. I don't have anything like that with the one shoulder and the asymmetricalness in a striped shirt anyway. Then we have another off the shoulder top, another ruffle top. This one also from Express. I loved the ruffle. I think the ruffle is so cute and the color of this, I don't know if it's picking up on camera. Online it looked like really red, but in person it's like almost like a fuchsia color. Like it's really pretty, like a hot like punch of pink. It kind of like reminds me of fruit punch actually, but it's really cute and the material is kind of a little bit it has like a little bit of a sheen to it. I'm not really sure what this material is called, but it's super cute. Again, with white denim or jeans, this is really cute. So love that. Next is just a basic. I have a lot of these in different colors, but this one is like in this pale like blush color. Just your basic v-neck cami. And this material has a little bit of a sheen to it as well, but it's not like straight up like satiny. So just like a basic top to wear like underneath a cardigan or by itself with jeans or shorts. And like I said, it comes in a lot of different colors. I just wanted to pick up this blush tone. Next is another basic, and I actually have this in green as well as nude. So these are just basic tube tops. So it has like a built-in bra in there, and you can wear this with shorts or pants or jeans or whatever. A skirt would be cute too. So just like a basic old tube top. So there's the nude shade, and then I also have it in this army green shade. Then next I picked up these pants, and I'm not sure how I feel about them, but they are really cute, so I think I'm going to try to wear them anyways. So these are a floral print pant. They're supposed to be like a high-waisted ankle pant. So this is the print, and they only go to your ankle, so they're kind of like a little bit cropped, and they have a tie waist, and the waist is kind of like that paper bag waist a little bit. If you can see, there's like little gatherings, but they are cute. I'm not sure if they look that great on me because they are so high rise and I have like no torso, so they come up pretty high on me, but I do really love the print. I think it's really cute. They also have like a matching like top and jacket that goes with this, I'm pretty sure. So if you like are into the print but aren't into the pant thing, this would also be really cute with one of those tube tops, just like tucked in. Next, these I'm going to have to return or try to shrink because they are too big, but I wanted to pick up a new pair of white denim. These ones are quite a bit distressed, if you see the distressing and all the dog hair on them clearly. And they have a raw like shark bite hem, so they're really like distressed. And they're really cute, but my normal size for jeans there is 0 regular, and these are like huge in the waist. I don't know what's going on, but I have so many pairs of jeans from them, and 0 is my normal size, and these are just gigantic in the waist. Like I have a lot of room, so I'll either have to try to shrink those or return them. It sucks because we don't have like a regular express here, so to return them I have to go all the way to a different mall, which is like an hour away, and it's so whatever though, we won't even get into that. Then next from Express I get these shorts. I hate shorts, but these actually fit me really well. So they're just basic denim shorts. They're high rise, they are distressed, and they're super stretchy. I don't know if you're seeing the stretch going on, but they are really cute, and they're just like a medium wash. They're not too dark, not too light, but I really liked the distressing like on the outside parts. It's really cute, and then they just have cuffs at the bottom, which you can undo maybe. No, you can't really undo them. But I thought they're really cute jean shorts, and they're very comfortable. So those I did get in a 00. Personally, I feel like when I have like a high-rise item, I have to size down because my natural waist is small, but I have like no hips. So I feel like that's why sometimes things fit me like weird, but in shorts I usually have to size down. Then next I have another striped piece. This one is just like a bright blue and white striped. So it has like wrap detailing, and then these like little ties you like wrap around your waist and then tie it like right here. And it has like puffy, like billowy sleeves, and I just love it. It is so cute. I have a top really similar to this that is black, and I'm obsessed with it. So when I saw it in a blue and white stripe, I knew I had to have it. And this would obviously look really cute with white denim. So I love this top. Oh gosh, the London Bridge is phoning down. So that's from Forever 21. So then next from Forever 21, I have this one-piece bathing suit. I thought this was really cute. I don't have any like red one pieces. So it's a one piece, and it has a cutout like right underneath the bust, and the bust has like this V wire, so it has like a little bit of support in there, and I thought it was really cute. And it's not super cheeky, but it is a little bit cheeky, and we're going on a trip with Tommy's aunt and uncle, so I didn't want to be like, bam, here's my butt in your face. So I thought this was really cute. Just classic red. Been loving red lately. And then also from Forever 21, I got this really cute cover up. It's just like this tropical print. Has like big like dolman sleeves, and it just like has a tie in the front. So just very flowy and loose, but I thought it was really cute and definitely would look good with that red bathing suit. One other thing that I picked up is a bathing suit from Target actually. So this is a black and white gingham. I think that's how you say it, gingham. So the top looks like this. So cute, right? So it has like that little faux tie in the front, so it's not like a real tie, like it actually ties, but it doesn't tie the top together. So it goes up at the back just with a regular little bra strap clasp, and then the bottom is really cute also, and these are real ties on the sides at the bottom. But I thought it was really cute. Again, not super cheeky, a little bit more conservative because I'm going on more of like a family trip, but I thought it was really cute, and I love this gingham. I think that looks really pretty with like a nice tan, which I don't currently have, but maybe I'll get a little color while I'm there. And then one last piece is a dress, and this is from Nordstrom. This is from the brand Bardot. So I saw this and I had to have it. So I love off the shoulder obviously, and I loved this color combination, the red with the kind of like lilac-y pink. And so it's really cute. Off the shoulder, has a tie that you can tie, and also has ties around the sleeves. So I thought this was really cute. And again, it's not like too short or like showing too much. I'm just obsessed with the print and color, so I cannot wait to wear this. And yeah, so that's it for clothes. And then I have two pairs of cheap little sunglasses because I love sunglasses. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm just like, I have so many pairs, like it's unhealthy. But the first pair is from Forever 21. These are just basic aviators. They are brown and gold. I feel like the brown and gold just like has like vintage vibes, like 70s vibes almost. And I just love aviators. They're just so classic and they just go with everything. So I like these. They are like rimless underneath. So cute. And if I break them or lose them, it's not a big deal. And then the other ones I got, these are from Target. They're like a cat eye, but they're a little bit smaller, and they're just like so funky and cute. I feel like they're just like a little retro, and I love a good cat eye sunglasses. So I wish that they had these in like the tortoise color frames, but I've only seen them in black, and they are Target. I don't know if I said that, but I think these are just the cutest sunglasses of life. Do you agree or do you not? So that's pretty much it. Now I need to pack everything and get my life together and put it all into a suitcase. I have a video all about what's in my travel makeup bag, which I did last month for Vlogmas, and it's going to be pretty much exactly all the same products because those are my go-tos, and not really much has changed in the past few weeks. So that is pretty much it. I think I'm going to do another haul in the next few weeks. This was just like a really quick one. All this stuff like just came today, so I didn't like have like any more time to film it, unfortunately. But I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
See the knot in this necklace? I literally spent 25 minutes trying to get this knot out. I got the bigger knot out. I could not get this stupid little baby ass knot out. It literally made me want to rage. Like, I cannot stand tangled necklaces. It literally hurts me to my core because I cannot get it undone. And it's like ruining my day almost. It is difficult for me to accept that I cannot get this gosh darn knot out of my necklace. It's being naughty.